Hello everybody, again it's me. So we're going to unbox. So I have parcel here, a lot. My $200 parcel today. So okay, let's start this small pouch. Okay. So this is all accessories for my feet. Anklet, so I have also extra anklet. So I'm gonna just super cute. Ooh, nice. I think this is for my arm. Forgot what is this for. Because I also buy for my like this kind of that kind of anklet. So I also have, but I'm not sure what is this for. Anyway, let's put it aside. Next, I'm gonna show you this one. Actually, it's two pair, two pieces. Oh, I can wear both feet. Because of my nails, so it's quite hard for me to just I love my feet is dry, but I love my nail polish, nail polish. Okay, next. Super cute. Make boys cry. Just gonna show you what I have today. Today is 19 because I have you know, work next week. So okay, this is my swimwear. I hope the size is small because oh my god, this is quite big. I need small. No, this is small, but actually I need extra small. But I think it will fit. Super cute. Okay, I'm just gonna put this aside. I'm gonna wear that for my magazine. Oh, this is also cute. Just tops. full of accessories. It's two. Maybe one is free. I got one for free. So jumpsuit. You can see it later on in my videos, in my vlog. So next is the short and tube. Let's see what's next. Another swimwear. Bright red. Super cute. Super sexy. Oh, I love this one. The quality is good. The fabric also. Thick, it's thick. Cute. I love it. Size is good. So next, Singapore. Okay, this is tops. It's a lot of strap. Look. Okay, this is the tops. Just gonna put it here. Oh, looks big. Size small. So this one and this bra, I'm gonna match. Singapore. Oops. I will pick up later. Cute. This is also swimwear. I'm going to show you the pictures later. So next I have some bangles here. Set of bangles and few accessories. I got this is quite big. Earrings, some earrings, anklet, and let's see what's inside the box. I'm not really sure what's in here. Ah, maybe it's free. Ah, this is for my jewelry. So it's jewelry box. So I'm just I'm not very careful for this. Earrings. Okay, this is the same box. I also have here the anklet. So this is all my fashion bracelet. And oops, I dropped it, but I just put it down. I'm gonna pick it up. My other parcel. Well, so far we're done. So this is anklet. Ah, oops. And another one. It's quite big. I think Shanti like it. I have to race. It's a racing faster. It looks big to me. But we'll see when I try this on. But I will do that next video. So everyone, that's all for today. I hope you enjoy. I only try on the bracelet, the earrings, so cute, and also the anklet.